Hey everyone, so this is my 2001 Chevy 2500. But this truck on the inside was just nasty. Had I seen the interior pictures before buying it 2 months ago, I would have stayed away from this truck. Had they posted even a picture of the back of the Suburban, I would have run away before ever putting a bid in on this truck. I mean, you got rat droppings everywhere, boxes chewed up, who knows what kind of trash is in there, old dessert from Jack in the Box. I mean, even an old honey bun still in the package. Obviously, the rats got to it, but there were so many coffee cups, so much fast food trash. Do you think I'll be able to save this Suburban? Let's go ahead and start the cleanup. This is just so much. This is nasty.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
I'm glad I went slowly because those are some needles. Gotta be very careful. I don't know what's worse, the the needles, or chocolate cake, and it's still, oh, it's liquidy. It's nasty. I mean, talk about finding old hills that were just tossed in there. This person liked their coffee so much. That's coffee grounds all over. That's all coffee. No, it's all going in the trash. I'm not even keeping one bit. There's a nice pan there, but no. It's just, I don't even know. Air hockey? I don't know. Yeah, this is what I got to deal with next. Alright, so I'll let my gloves fly away. Got another bag full. This crap that's gonna go in the trash. On a good note, the original formats, I think they're all here. I mean, almost done picking up all the trash. Did find a scooper of football, which I don't play football, but might as well keep it. Clean it, give it to somebody, give it to the dog, I don't know. Almost full can of brake clean, so that's actually useful. This is actually useful. Great, now the wind's picking up and it's starting to blow around the dirt and crap. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna finish today. I'm gonna try to get all the big trash out of here, and if there's still daylight to record, I'll start vacuuming little by little. Just all this little crap, those little rat turds. But yeah, we're making some progress. We got a lot of it out, a lot of the big trash out, but I did feel like somebody was watching me. Look at this guy right here, just hiding. So I'm gonna save that little dude and put him somewhere and clean him up. Lots of screws. I found the box of drywall screws, and yeah, they're going into the trash. I'm not even gonna try to repurpose them. At least the back's mostly clean. Just need a little bit more trash to pick up here in the front. And then we can hit it with the vacuum. So when I got this truck about a month ago, or 2 months ago, I did go to pull apart, and I got some parts for this truck. Primarily this piece that's missing, and I also have the door panel for that door. But before I put the door panel, I gotta fix the window. But while we're cleaning, we might as well put this piece and get it out of the way from inside the house. Well, it should be pretty straightforward on this one if I remember correctly how it took it off. First, yeah, there we go. It is on and it matches. So I got the color right the first try. So at least that part's out of the way, not sitting around inside the house. All right, so for the first pass, I'm cleaning this truck up today. Did pretty good, especially here in the back. So this is not the final cleanup of this truck, but the back came out pretty good. Of course, got to hit it with an extractor and a vacuum a couple more times. But compared to before, we are already winning.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
This is actually the creepiest. That's gotta be oil. I don't think that's blood. I really hope not. I'm gonna have gloves. I mean, I don't know what happened here. It is dry and kind of hard. I just really hope it's not blood. If it was oil, it'd still be oily, but this is very like hard. So yeah, it's going straight in the trash. Well, this is aftermath. 2 bags full, 42-gallon bags, I think, or 55-gallon. It's probably like right there, I would say 70, 80 pounds of trash. And then I got that plastic piece, the game board pieces, that pan, that's all trash. This is actually gonna stay. Those mats I kept. Keeping this funnel, because you always need a funnel for something, for oil. But for the first day, cleaning up, did pretty good. Just gotta finish up right here in the driver's area. Yeah. It's still pretty nasty in here, but vacuumed up as much as I could for now. But I did find this. I mean, I found a bunch of personal items, but this one right here. This book belongs to blank. If found and returned to me, I will be happy to compensate. Thank you very much. If you find this and don't return it, then F you. Well, sorry, buddy. I looked at it. There's nothing important. Just had I guess keeping track of his mileage or how much he spent on gas, and then 2 times, a couple of weeks, and blank. Nothing important in here. It's going in the trash. Sorry, buddy. All right, well, that's a wrap for this video on this initial cleanup. Got a lot vacuumed up on the truck. So still needs to be actually cleaned, you know, with a cleaner. But a lot of the loose debris, loose stuff that I could get with the vacuum is vacuumed up. Trash is in the bags. I gotta load it up. Load up all the other crap, that game and all that crap. But I went ahead and decided to move the steamer in here that I'm gonna be trying out next to clean up the panels and the gunky stuff on the center console. But check it out. Cleaned out pretty good, I think. Obviously the door panels and trim and all that have not been hit with any cleaner. Let's go over here on this side. So a lot of the debris has been vacuumed up. The coffee grounds are gone pretty much. Let me see if I can get this. Show y'all real quick. The coffee grounds were here. They're pretty much gone. A little bit of staining, but I'll get that with the extractor. Try to save this carpet. Let's go to the front driver's seat, which was pretty bad as well. Vacuumed up a lot of the big stuff. A lot of small particles are still lingering. Obviously the dash is gonna have to be replaced. I was about to throw these away, but I'm gonna keep them for now. Break off a piece when I go to the junkyard and try to find an intact dash. Maybe I can find the same color. But for now, that's it. Thanks for watching. It's been a long day for me. A lot of trash to throw away and take home. Put in the trash can. But yeah, that's it for now. Keep repeating myself, but it's been a long day.